In this video, we will look at best practices for deploying, maintaining, and working with BPA Platform. A more detailed explanation of these principles can be found in the documentation. This can be downloaded from the partner training area of our website. Discuss performance expectations and infrastructure with your customer. BPA Platform runs as a Windows service on Windows Server, which can be cloud or on-premises. Ensure suitable hardware for scalability, particularly for cloud or VM environments. Align the hardware with the workload. Allocate 2 dual-core CPUs for 4 concurrent tasks, and scale cores for higher concurrency. Allocate 1 GB of RAM per concurrent task. Use SSD for SQL Server databases, and avoid sharing servers with other systems unless these specifications are significantly upgraded. Process records in groups instead of individual tasks to improve efficiency. Avoid frequent schedules of less than 5 minutes unless essential. Schedule non-vital tasks during off-peak times. Configure threads to match demand. Use RunSync only when tasks must complete sequentially, otherwise use queue. Split tasks by function, for example customer and order integrations in separate tasks, and keep tasks concise and maintainable. Let BPA Platform handle record processing loops. Use call task for batch tasks instead of internal loops. Use a staging database to manage retries, minimize source system reprocessing, and isolate integration issues. This also promotes modular design and task reuse in other solution combinations. Use flags, for example failed or success in staging, to identify and manage errors, and store failed transactions for reprocessing. Configure email notifications for errors and task statuses. Use group email addresses for easy updates. Use batch requests instead of multiple API calls. Consider API throttling limits and higher capacity options if available. Check data types, schemas, and completeness when inferring from example data. Use BPA Platform's 28-day event log to optimize task scheduling and load balancing. Clear memory repositories regularly and validate task dependencies to prevent deadlocks. Validate data at the source to reduce processing burdens. Avoid excessive task steps or combining multiple processes within a single task. And use BPA Platform connectors efficiently to minimize design complexity and enhance performance. By following these practices, you can optimize BPA Platform solutions for performance, scalability, and maintainability. For more information, visit codelessplatforms.com and download the Best Practices documentation.